In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily turn off or turn on location services on your iPhone in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. But before starting the video, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So first of all, head over to the settings. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down and go to privacy and security. And once you're on this page, on the top of the screen, you will find an option of location services. Tap on it. And here you will find an option of location services on the top. You can simply turn off all the location services on your iPhone by toggling this one off on the top. And you can also turn off location services for individual apps by simply going to the app and click on never. So that's how you can easily turn off or turn on location services on your iPhone in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about